and welcome to the Test Kitchen at Science City. My name's Sherry, and I am one of the educators here. And today, to celebrate Harry Potter, we are going to make butterbeer, everybody's favorite drink, whether you're a wizard or a muggle. So, to begin, I am going to follow a recipe. All good Test Kitchen scientists, cooks, wizards, we follow recipes. So we are going to begin our butterbeer with a 1/4 cup of butterscotch syrup, like this, and I have pre-measured everything. So we'll take this and we'll pour it into a bowl. And we will add our cream soda, and it will be 24 fluid ounces or 2 cans of soda. And I've got that here. You can see the soda fizzing up in the bowl here. And then we want to give it a stir to incorporate the ingredients here. Get that nice and butterscotchy. And then we set this mixture aside. And I'm going to go to the freezer here and grab a chilled bowl because we are going to whip up some cream. So we are going to use 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And I have a hand mixer here, and you can also use a fancy stand mixer, but I prefer the hand mixer. And move this over just a little bit here. And we are going to beat this until the cream becomes stiff peaks. So we're whipping to stiff peaks, and that's why I have a chilled bowl. The cooler the bowl and the cream, the quicker and the better the peaks become. And this takes about 2 minutes. I think that looks good. It's starting to look like whipped cream, and that's what we want. So, put this aside here. So we need to add some flavoring to the whipped cream. So we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm going to be very careful. One teaspoon. And then we need to sweeten this. So we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to give this a stir here. And this makes that whipped cream nice and tasty. But we're making butterbeer today, and we want that distinct buttery flavor. So, a little bit earlier, I melted 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. I'm going to add that too. Ooh, this is looking good. And try to get it as smooth as possible, but don't worry too much because we are going to add this mixture into our cream soda and butterscotch mixture. So we're going to put the 2 concoctions together. And I'm going to kind of fold in the cream into the cream soda. Make it all here. Okay, we're going to slowly mix that. And you can see how then the cream kind of dissolves into the butterscotch soda. And we're almost done with our butterbeer. What we need to do next is find a Harry Potter worthy stein or mug. And I like to use a ladle, but if you don't have a ladle, you can use that same spoon. And we will ladle this mixture into the mug. And while there's a lot of cream on top, I try to dip down low and get that soda in there as well. And then there's one final step, and that, of course, is magic. So we say, delicioso,